Hey guys, welcome to Pepcoding. So in this question, we are going in this video, we are going to discuss another new question of searching and sorting series. That is largest perimeter of a triangle. So in this question, we will be given an array of integer. So basically, those array elements are representing the sides of a triangle. Okay. So sides like length of triangle or length of some sides. So we have to first of all check if those sides of those sides form a triangle or not, and if those sides form a triangle, so we have to just form multiple triangles, and we have to return the largest perimeter out of those triangles. Okay, so let's see here. Suppose let me make an array. N here is equals to, let's say, 8, and I have now, let's say my sides are 6, 4, 19, 8, 12, 5, 7, 25. Okay, these are my sides. So what do I have to do? We first of all have to check if I just randomly pick any three sides. Let's say I just pick these three sides, that is my 4, 8 and 5. Okay, I take this side and check if this sides form a triangle or not. First of all, so the basic condition to check if these three sides form a triangle or not are is what? That the sum of any two sides should be greater than the sum of the third side. So this should be greater than the third side. So let's see, my three sides are 4, 8 and 5. Let's see, 4 and 8 is greater than 5. Sum of 8 plus 5 is also greater than 4. And sum of 5 plus 4 is also greater than 9. 8. Okay, so it means these three sides form a triangle. Okay, so the perimeter for these three sides is going to be what? 4 plus 8 plus 5, which is equals to 17. Okay, now I take another three sides. Let's say I take 12 and 6 and 7. Okay, now these three sides form a triangle also, because 6 plus 12 is greater than 7. 7 plus 6 is also greater than 12, and 12 plus 7 is greater than 6. Okay, so the parameter here is going to be what? The parameter here is 6 plus 7 plus 12, which is equal to 25, right? So what do we have to do? We first of all have to check if these sides form a triangle or not, and if they form a triangle, we have to return the largest maximum parameter, right? We have to return the largest parameter formed by these triangles. Okay, so what do I have to do? I want the largest parameter. So if I say, let's just sort my array first. So let me sort my array first. So my array is going to be, if I sort my array, so my array is going to be, this is my array. Okay, so now my array is going to be what? My array will be equal to, my array will be having elements uh, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 19. Wait, one element is missing. 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 7 will be here. It should be 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, and then 12, and then 19, and then 25. Okay, this is my sorted array. 25. This is my sorted array, right? So now, if I want the largest parameter, so I first of all check the largest three sides of my array. Okay, so first of all I take these three sides, that is 12, 19 and 25. Okay, I take these three sides. All right, I take these three sides, and if I take these three sides, so I will first of all check if these three sides forms a triangle or not. Okay, so let's see. 12 plus 19 is greater than 25, right? So I can say these three sides form a triangle because the sum of two smaller side is greater than the larger side. So sum of any of these sides, smaller side with the larger side, is also going to be greater than the other two smaller side, right? Because my 25 is greater than 19. So if I add anything to my 25, it is also going to be greater than 19, right? And again, so if I add 19 to my 25, it is greater than 12. And if I add 12 to my 25, it is also going to be greater than 19, right? So it means if this condition is getting satisfied, that is ARR of I minus 2 plus ARR of I minus 1 is greater than ARR of I, right? So it means these three sides form a triangle, and my perimeter is what? My perimeter here is equals to 12 plus 19 plus 25, which is equals to 31 plus 25, which is equals to 56. Okay, so this is my perimeter. Now it means I have got my largest parameter, because how can I say this? Because if I search for any other three sides here, that is, if I check this, sorry, if I check this 8, 7 and 6, let's say I take these three sides. So these three sides also form a triangle because 6 plus 7 is greater than 8, right? So these three sides also form a triangle, but the parameter here, because these three sides are lesser than my largest three sides. So these three sides are going to form a lesser parameter than the parameter for my largest three sides. Okay, so I don't have to check here. If I found any triangle here, so I don't have to check all these elements, right? I will return the parameter from here itself. Okay, let's say if I say this side does not form any triangle. If I say, let's just check. So let me just make this element as 13. Okay, if I make it 13, so now I again check the condition that the sum of ARR of I minus 1 and IR of I minus 2 should be greater than ARR of I, right? So let's just check this condition. Wait. Okay, now my sides are 12, 13 and 25. Okay, now my sides are 12, 13 and 25. So I will check for 12, 13 and 25 if they form a triangle or not. So 12 plus 13 is not strictly greater than 25, right? Because 25 is not greater than 25, it is equal to 25, right? So if this side does not form a triangle, so what can I say? It means if this side does not form a triangle, so I should search here now, right? I should search from here now. So what am I going to do? I am going to discard my largest side. Now I will search for these three sides, because initially my I was here, so I will search for my I, just decrease my I by 1. So I check for these three sides, that is my 8, 12 and 13. So now if I check, so my 8, 12 and 13 form a triangle. So 8 plus 12 is greater than 13. It means these sides form a triangle. If this sides form a triangle, my parameter is equal to what? My parameter is equal to 8 plus 2, this is 20 plus 13, which is equal to 33. So my parameter now become 33. And I don't have to search for my parameter here, because these three sides are my largest three sides. Okay, so the sum of the largest three sides is also always going to be greater than the sum of these three sides. So even if any sides form triangle here, we are going to return the sum of the largest three sides, right? Largest three sides that are forming the triangle. Okay, so I hope I was able to make it clear to you. So let's just write the code. And one more thing that I'm going to tell you, let's tell you one more thing. Okay, if my any of the sides here were not able to form any triangle here, and if I have reached here, so I can check these three sides. Okay, and even if these three sides were not able to form any triangle, I cannot move my I till here, right? My I will be equal to 2 always, like greater than equal to 2 always. Why? My I will vary from n minus 1 to 2, because if I keep my I here, I get my I minus 1 here. But where is my I minus 2? It means I am not able to get my third side. Even if I access for this, it will give me like array index out of bound exception, right? Because so my I will vary till here, because only till this point I have left with my two other sides. Like I am left with my three sides, right? If I reach here, I have only two sides. I don't have my third side. So I will vary till 2 only, right? From n minus 1 till 2. Okay. So let's try to code this. Okay. So first of all, what am I going to do? I am going to sort my array. So sort arr dot begin, arr dot end. All right. Now let's do what? Let's make a perimeter variable which is initially equal to 0. And now let's run a loop from n minus 1, that is the length of my array, arr dot size minus 1. It should run till 2. I should be equal to 2, greater than equal to 2. And what am I going to do here? I will check if these three sides form a triangle or not. That is my arr of I minus 2 plus arr of I minus 1. So sum of these two sides should be greater than my third side, that is arr of I. And if it's greater than that, then what am I going to do? I will update my parameter to arr of I minus 1 plus arr of I minus 2 plus arr of 3, because my parameter of the is equal to what? The perimeter of my triangle is equal to the sum of all three sides. So now let's return my parameter. And I'm going to break here because I have found my largest parameter, right? I don't have to search for to my left if I found my parameter. Okay. Okay. Wrong answer. Why wrong? Parameter was initially equals to 0. I is greater. Okay. It should be I minus minus. Let's try to run this again. Okay. Accepted, and let's try to submit this. Okay, submitted. So correct answer. Okay, so this was my basic approach to find my largest perimeter of a triangle. How can we do this? We can just sort the array and check for the largest three sides first. Okay, and if this sides are able to form a triangle, it means we have found our largest perimeter. And if these sides does not form a triangle, then search for the smallest, then search for another three largest side. Okay, so I hope I was able to make it clear to you guys. So if you I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and thanks for watching.